The world is standing at the edge of a new era of warfare. Battles are no longer defined only by boots on the ground or tanks rolling across deserts. They are being reshaped by machines that think faster than humans, weapons that strike with precision beyond imagination, and systems designed to dominate both land and cyberspace. The next generation of U.S. military technology is not just about defending borders, it's about controlling the future of conflict itself. Welcome back to my channel. In the face of rising global tensions, from Eastern Europe to the South China Sea, the United States is rapidly transforming its military power. Hypersonic missiles capable of traveling more than 5 times the speed of sound are being tested to counter threats from Russia and China. Swarms of autonomous drones are being developed to overwhelm enemy defenses and carry out missions that once required entire squadrons of fighter jets. These are not concepts locked in science fiction. They are active projects funded, tested, and deployed to ensure America remains unmatched on the battlefield. But the competition is fierce. China's expanding naval fleet and Russia's relentless push for new missile systems are forcing the Pentagon to accelerate modernization like never before. Artificial intelligence, cyber weapons, and space-based systems are becoming just as critical as aircraft carriers and fighter jets. In this high-stakes race, hesitation could mean losing the strategic advantage. The U.S. military knows that wars of the future will not be fought with yesterday's weapons. They will be decided by whoever controls the skies, space, data, and speed. And America is making it clear it intends to lead. The Pentagon's strategy for the future is built on 3 pillars: speed, precision, and dominance. Hypersonic glide vehicles are designed to strike anywhere in the world within minutes, bypassing traditional missile defenses with sheer velocity. Meanwhile, advanced stealth aircraft like the B-21 Raider are preparing to enter service, capable of penetrating even the most sophisticated enemy air defense systems. These platforms are not simply upgrades, they are revolutionary weapons meant to guarantee U.S. superiority in a time of shifting alliances and unpredictable enemies. But the battlefield of tomorrow will extend far beyond the skies. Cyber warfare is already shaping conflicts in ways unseen by the public. Every critical system, from power grids to missile defense, can be targeted by invisible attacks. That's why the U.S. military is investing billions into cyber command units, artificial intelligence, driven defense systems, and satellite constellations capable of shielding vital infrastructure from foreign hackers. In future wars, the side that dominates cyberspace could cripple an opponent before the first shot is ever fired. On the seas, America's Navy is introducing next-generation destroyers and unmanned surface vessels to project power across contested waters. In the Pacific, where tensions with China continue to rise, these ships will be the spearhead of deterrence, pushing back against Beijing's aggressive expansion. Every move is designed to send a message. The United States is not retreating. It is preparing for a new kind of confrontation. And let's not forget space. Satellites now guide missiles, track enemy movements, and control communications across the globe. The creation of the U.S. Space Force signals that America views space as the next battlefield, one where the winner will command not just Earth, but the future of war itself. As global conflicts escalate, the importance of next-generation U.S. military technology cannot be overstated. From Ukraine's battlefields to the tense waters of the Taiwan Strait, every clash reminds the world that military strength today is as much about innovation as it is about numbers. The U.S. understands this reality and it is pouring resources into ensuring that when the next major conflict erupts, it will not be caught off guard. But with every breakthrough comes a shadow. Hypersonic missiles, autonomous drones, and cyber weapons raise new questions. How do you control machines designed to make their own decisions? How do you prevent a single cyber strike from shutting down entire cities? These are not just military challenges. They are moral and political dilemmas that will define the century ahead. The U.S. military is walking a razor's edge, balancing the need for dominance with the dangers of unleashing technologies that could spiral out of control. At the same time, the human element cannot be forgotten. Soldiers, sailors, pilots, and cyber warriors remain at the heart of this transformation. No matter how advanced the weapon, it is still guided by the courage and discipline of the men and women who serve. Their mission is not just to wield these technologies, but to ensure they are used to protect freedom and deter aggression. The message is clear. The wars of tomorrow will not look like the wars of yesterday. The United States is preparing for battles across land, sea, air, space, and cyberspace, an interconnected warfighting environment that demands speed, precision, and overwhelming power. The stakes are higher than ever, and America is determined to ensure that when the world tests its strength, the answer will be decisive.